Hi, this is Shanker, and today I'm going to talk about Sun. Sun is a very intrigued planet, and Sun is one of the most important planets in our horoscope. So, in fact, Sun is a planet which has its impact in a lot of ways, and Sun is supposed to be the shine. The shine of the life is Sun. Mars is the Jupiter is the Tej. Tej is like the aura around you is the Jupiter. The aura is the Jupiter. Mars is the Kiran. You know what you say, the halo which is around you. The Tej, not the halo. It is that the small beams which come out. It, from the electricity. That is Mars. And Mercury is the shape, and Moon is the shine which is there. So this is how you are as a human being, depending on these planets. Vis Surya is the shine, the chamak. Jupiter is the tej. Mercury, uh, uh, Mars is the kiran. Mercury is your shape, akar, and Moon is the chamak in you. Mars is the Kiran and Moon is the shine. So that is how these five planets are very much interlinked to each other. But your tej, the capacity in you is comes from Sun. So therefore, Sun is the most important planet we should see in a horoscope. And if the Sun is good, most of your issues will get resolved in life. Your life will have the vitality. It will be able to overcome issues, not only physically, but also around you, the issues which are there. The sun debilitated or in fall is not a good thing to have. Remember that. And when I say sun debilitated, more or less want to say sun which is in seventh house or in Libra. In these two houses, sun is not good because Libra is the house of Venus, and Sun and Venus do not go well. So, but Sun in seventh house is I've seen is never good, even if it is in a good sign. So that is what is my view on Sun. The second important thing which I'd like to tell about Sun is which planet is associated with. If it is with Rahu, it takes out the internal negativity you have. अंदर की गंध जिसे कहते हैं, that will come out. Your everybody will has cleverness, has a nasty side of him, has envious side of him, has a jealous side of him. But it's all controlled by a lot of things. But here, all the things will come out if it is there. Whatever, whatever, whatever it is there will come out, and you will bring it to play. Whether you become successful or we're not successful, that's not the point. But it will come out. So that is what has to be kept in mind. Sun with Saturn makes a person a thief. That doesn't mean literally become a thief, but his whole attitude, his perception is that of a thief. So that I've seen Sun and Saturn playing a very important role. Now, the third next important thing which I want to tell you about Sun is what is the strength of Sun? The strength of Sun has to be seen by the strength of Rahu and Ketu. Now, you would say that that is something which is, very, 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 very vague because Sun with Rahu and Ketu, I mean, doesn't do well. They're not friendly. They're enemies. So, a planet, I mean, how can Sun's strength be seen from Rahu and Ketu? I mean, Rahu and Ketu are important to see your life, see the strength of Sun, see your life overall. Because the first when the reddish lali hoti hai, सुबह की जो लाली होती है, the morning when it starts, there is a kind of a reddishness in the horizon. That is Ketu, and the lali, the redness which comes on the horizon when when everything is setting and before night comes in, that is Rahu. The start of your life is Ketu, and the end of the day, the start of the day, sorry, is Ketu, or you can say life also. Start of the day is Ketu, and the end of the day is Rahu. So Ketu and Rahu play a very important role. If you have a very strong Ketu in your horoscope, please be sure that your sun is good, and it will do you will do well in life. Similarly, if you have a Rahu which is well placed, you will have a sun which will at the end of the day, end of the day, late in life or sometime mid in life, you start doing well in life, and towards the end, the part of it will be very good. Depends on how strong Rahu and Ketu are. So Rahu and Ketu, in fact, Ketu is a very important uh, planet which has to be seen for the strength of Ketu, for the strength of Sun, sorry, and so is Rahu, which has to be seen. Now, Sun is a very important planet, which I've already told you justifies, tells the entire life in a nutshell. In most of the horoscope, Sun is with Mercury 80% of the time, and Sun and Mercury is a good combination when they are 6 to 7 degrees in the orb. It makes you a very good. It becomes like Mars. It makes you a Martian personality. Sun along with Venus. Sun accepts Venus because Sun is like glory. It is that aura which talks about glory, and Venus is a guru. Sun and Venus together makes you a person with a lot of wisdom. As puts Jupiter there. It may make you rise. It will make you rise in life, but it may not give you a good married life. It will be good for non-life things, but may not be good for life things. Sun and Venus together. Sun and Venus together, as such, in a negative house or in a bad house, will also get you attracted towards extramarital relationships, not extramarital, towards ladies who are, towards ladies, I would say. You would be a general attraction towards women would be higher than, would be higher. If the scale is 10, you would be in the 7 out of 10 scale. But Sun, Venus, and other planets together, Sun and Venus, does give you a kind of wisdom which can make you rise in life. It gives you the Jupiterian thing, which is what I told you, stage. The Sun and Venus together will give you Tej, and other planets combined may make you good. So when you see Sun with a lot of other planets, don't come to a conclusion. You have to come to a final conclusion, seeing where Sun is and what is the planet which is fifth from Sun. Like if you have Jupiter in a conglomerate of planets which are with Sun, and Jupiter is fifth from there, then it's like it's blessed. Fifth house is like, or ninth, Jupiter would be looking at from the ninth aspect. The fifth and ninth, if you have good planets from a group of planets which are with Sun, will make you very good and put you well placed in life. So you have to see things in a kind of a not as one off, but with a attitude of togetherness. So that is very important. So with this small video, I would like to end it. And I told you about Sun and some of the secrets, some of the experiences which I have seen of Sun, I've shared to you. Thanks. And this is Shankar Adawal signing out. You can go to my website, shankerstudy.com, Shankar with an E, SHANKER, and you could write to me. Thanks and bye for now. Thank you very much.